Hello and welcome to Typing Agent. Here we'll be looking at how to view the progress reports for your classes as a school admin or teacher. Please note, if you are a district admin, you will need to log in as a school admin rostered at the school or as the teacher of the classrooms you'd like to view the reports for. Once you are logged in as the school admin or teacher, you will see this dashboard. To access the progress report, navigate to the classroom you'd like the report for in the list of classrooms on the left. Then click on the Reports tab at the top. And from here, click on the Progress Report tile to access the progress reports of our various curriculums for you to review or download. Let's start with the keyboarding curriculum. Since this is an example class with students in 3rd to 5th grade, we'll look at the Keyboarding Foundations 3+ progress report. The first report you'll see is the summary of the progress report. This gives you an overview of how your students are doing within the curriculum, showing time spent, the percentage of the curriculum they've completed to your class's standards, their average accuracy and typing speed, and finally, the overall grade they've received in the curriculum for the lessons they have completed. To see a more detailed information about your students' progress, we can change the second drop-down menu from Summary View to Detailed View. In this view, you can see how well your students did for each lesson and whether they achieved your benchmark standards set for their grade level. By default, Typing Agent requires 2 stars to pass the lesson. Should they perform better than the standard, they have the opportunity to earn up to 3 stars to show they have exceeded that and have superb keyboarding skills for that particular lesson. For students who are not meeting the 2-star standard, you will see a bronze star with a 1 or 0 in it, indicating they are not performing well enough in that lesson to pass and will need to try it again. The partial green star indicates where your student is currently working in the curriculum and indicates they are working on lessons, but have not yet completed that section. A red flag shows lessons your students performed at lower than 70% accuracy, and they may need to have their typing benchmarks adjusted in order to help them succeed and get the best learning experience. Please note, this flag will only show for students who have the max retries changed from no max retries. If the no max retries option is not changed from default, you will not see the red flag as your student will need to achieve the minimum benchmarks for your class to proceed with the lesson. And if you have any questions at any time what these stars and icons mean, you can always hover over the star at the top to get a tooltip to show you what each of these means. We also have progress reports with the same kind of data for most of our other curriculums. You'll find digital citizenship, both basic and advanced coding, Spanish lessons, type your own adventure, SEL adventure, and agent challenge reports in the drop-down list. Please note, targeted practice does not have a progress report as this curriculum is designed to be adaptive to your students' learning needs and adjusts what it asks your students to type based on areas of the keyboard it finds your student needs more practice with. Because it changes with your students' performance, there is no curated curriculum for which it can be measured and should be used to help hone your students' keyboarding skills once they have completed the Keyboarding Foundations curriculum. Finally, you can print or download a copy of any of these reports by clicking the print icon in the top right, or by clicking the export icon to save it as a CSV file. If you have a question you need answered, you can always reach out to us via chat or by emailing us at support@typingagent.com.